To use clipping masks, select your image and head over to the Properties panel. Scroll down to Clipping Mask. The shape assigned to your image is rectangle by default. Then, just drag the corners to resize them, just like you would with shapes. You can customize each corner radius by unchecking the Same for each corner box and dragging the corners individually, or by entering a value for each corner. To assign a different shape, scroll back down to Clipping Mask and use the drop-down list. You can select a polygon, or an ellipse.